And we're back with more leather cases for the 16 Pro Max, so let's check them out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. Before we get kicked off, what leather case are you using on your iPhone? Let me know in the comments down below. So, Mujjo are in the house and they have sent me across a couple of their new cases for the 16 Pro Max. So we have the leather case in black and we have their shield case in steel blue. So I reviewed these for the 15 Pro Max last year and I really did like the quality of the leather cases, so I don't expect these to be any worse, all being well. So let's check these out. So we'll just move wee Natty out of the way there and we'll open these up. Yes, very nice, very nice. So yeah, so this, I mean, these are nice slim leather cases. These come with a vegetable tanned leather as well, which is really nice. The quality of the leather was really good last year, and I got the blue case because I had the blue iPhone last year, but I went for the black one because of the natural titanium. So part of me is kind of wishing I did go for the blue again, but yeah. Oh, very good. Secure your 2-year guarantee. Nice. Register with the QR code and you'll get 2-year guarantee. That's nice. Oof. And there is the shield case. First impressions, very nice. We do have a nice little cutout there for the camera control button. Pretty straightforward. And then this one is a bit more rugged bumper and things like that there. So, but let's crack on and get it checked out. So there's those cases. So we'll just bring in our trusty scale and we'll just weigh these cases. So the full leather case weighing in at 40 grams and the shield case is weighing in at 56 grams. So that is as to be expected, to be honest. So between 40 and 50 grams is sort of what you expect for a normal case. Something a bit more rugged, you're definitely over that 50 gram mark. So just quickly pop the phone in the case, and then if we just weigh it with the phone in, so you'll be carrying 269 grams in your pocket with the full leather case, and then with the shield case you'll be carrying 284 grams around in your pocket. So if that is important to you, that's the stats. So there you go. First up then, we will start with the full leather case. So this is the full vegetable tan leather case. We've got Mujjo's branding down at the bottom here, which is quite subtle. It is engraved into the leather. I do have a little, notice there's a little scrape on this one just out of the box, but hey, that's what cases are for. They get scraped. So we do have machined metal buttons here. So there's your volume and your action button, and then we have our lock button / power button as well. These are machined metal buttons, and there is the cutout then for the camera control as well. So if we just look here, like the case has a little bit of flex there just at the camera control, but it is relatively solid. So yeah, it's not as smoothed down as some of the other cases that I've seen. So yeah, not sure if that will affect it, but we'll test that in a minute. But we'll just check these buttons here. So yeah, clicky, tactile, responsive, no issues there with that. So, and then we'll just see, so like I say, the leather is kind of cut, and I have noticed in a lot of cases, leather is a bit more difficult to work with the cutout for camera control. It's just one of those things where, you know, if you make it too thin, then you make it brittle, and if you make it too thick, then it's hard to work the button. So it's hard to find a medium point there. So let's just check the camera control button. So yeah, I can click that no problem, and let's just see if my finger can, yeah, I can reach the haptics there, which is decent enough. No issues there. I kind of thought there would be, but no, that's even with 2 different fingers there, that's allowing me to get in there. Happy days. That's good. I was kind of thinking that was going to be an issue, but no, that's pretty good. So fitment then, so we'll just take the phone, we'll just take the corners and we'll just give it a twist. You can see there the phone isn't popping out, so the microfiber lining on the inside of the case is definitely helping with holding the phone in place, and the fit is really good here. If we just check the corners then, so the corners take quite a lot of pressure to pop off, which is good to see. And at least you know then that your case isn't going to pop off your phone randomly if you're lifting it out of your pocket and it gives it a bit of twist. It's not going to pop off and, you know, cause all sorts of mayhem. So that's really, really good to see. I like that. Screen lip then. So the screen lip does come up all the way around. It is a sort of minimal lip, but it is consistent all the way around. So you do have a half decent lip. So if you do set that down flat, you are going to get that lift up protection. That is what you want to see. And then of course then if we look at the camera guard is metal, so the lenses don't protrude out, which is really what you want. So if you set that down flat, you are going to get that lift up protection. You're going to get that good quality protection. Now I will say I really do like this case. The feel of this case is very, very nice. It does feel grippy in the hand, doesn't feel slippery, and you know, just the more you use it, it'll get grippier, and yeah, I do like that. Leather all the way around. It's very, very nice. And of course it is a MagSafe case, so we can do a MagSafe test. So we'll just get our trusty MagSafe stand here and we will do the magnet test. Now from memory, the magnets on this version on the 15 Pro Max was really, really good. So I'm hoping that this is going to be just as good. So let's just see, look at that. That's really good. Whoa, that is brilliant. I will say so far from all of the other cases that I've tested so far, that has been the best magnet strength I think I have tested. And then we'll just check the MagSafe charging. We'll just check it with my Anker Qi 2 power brick here. So we'll just pop that on. There we go, charging with no problems at all. That's good to see. And if we give that a shake, yeah, that's not even moving. So I'm just holding the phone there, shaking it. There's no movement, and that's quite a heavy battery pack as well, so that's good to see. Nice. Yeah, I really dig this. Full leather case from Mujjo. Yeah, top marks. I really rate that. That's nice. We'll just pop that one off then, and then we will switch over to the Shield case. So this case is a little bit thicker with the bumper. It has a thicker TPU bumper all the way around. So the leather is only on the back. The rest of it is like a hardened TPU bumper. This is like a smooth material. I would like there to be a little bit of texture to it to give you a little bit more grip because it is smooth. The buttons are plastic molded buttons, so you're not getting just quite as nice a feel as you get with the metal buttons, but they're still really good. So if we just, yeah, they're still clicky, tactile, no issues there with using them. That's what you want to see, perfect. And then we do have here on the side, we've got Mujjo's branding, we have a lanyard loophole as well on both sides, and then we have our camera cutout. So this is molded, and you can see here at the sides, this is a little bit more flexible on the camera control button. So if you give it a press, it is, you know, it does bend a little bit, but it doesn't affect the impact of the case. Your thumb then sort of molds in there, which is it's a nice feel, and we'll just test it. So yeah, double click, and yeah, we can activate the touch haptics there. That's what you want to see. No issues there, I can feel that. And then even with my bigger finger there, yeah, no problem with that either. Perfect. So again, I've just checked the fitment then. So we just take the corners, we give it a twist. The phone does not move whatsoever. That is really, really good. The fit is really tight on this one as well. So if you just push it up at the corners there, it does take a fair bit of force to get that off. So you're not gonna have any issues with this coming off your phone. And you can see there, the USB-C port and the speakers are a little bit more recessed because, like I say, this is a bit more of a rugged case. So if you do drop it, you're going to get a little bit more shock protection with it. It wouldn't be as minimal as the full leather case. So yeah, horses for courses with that one. And then on the back then we have that full grain visual tanned leather, which is just lovely. This blue steel color is very, very nice. It goes well with the natural titanium iPhone. Screen lip then, so the screen lip does come up over the display on all the way around the case. It's really consistent, which is good to see. Set that down flat, you get that lift up protection. That's what you want to see. Camera guard then, the lenses don't protrude out. The camera guard is plastic, not metal. But it does give you full camera lens protection. If you set that down flat, it's not going to rough up those lenses. That's what you want. Yeah, that's good. Feel of the case, I mean, with the bumper here being recessed a little bit, it does make it a little bit, I wouldn't say difficult to hold, but it is just a different feel compared to the other case. The leather gives you a bit more grip. This is just smooth. Mujjo, if you're wanting a bit of feedback, and maybe a little bit of a texture on this side bumper, I think would improve this case massively. Not that it's bad, but just because it's smooth, it could make it a little bit slippery in the hand. But on the back, that full grain leather is just lovely. It's really, really good quality. And yeah, there's not much to say wrong about that. It's very nice. MagSafe case as well, so we can do a MagSafe test. And let's just check it out. So yeah, this is a heavier case, but the magnets just are as consistent, which is good to see. That's what you want to see. They're just as consistent. So yeah, that's great. And then we'll just try a charging test in. So we'll just stick the battery pack on there. And there we go. Charging's coming through. No issues there. And give that a shake. Like I said, 10,000 milliamp hour MagSafe battery is quite heavy, so that's not even moving, just holding the phone there, just giving that a shake. That's what you want. Great job. What do you guys think of these cases? Let me know in the comments down below. So I really do rate these. Really good quality leather, and you have options here as well. You don't have just one style, so you can go for the sort of the minimal style. You can go for maybe something a little bit more rugged. There is different color options in the full leather case, and you do get, I think there's some other colors of the shield as well. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, I will leave you an affiliate link in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. And that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep a look at the channel. I have a lot more content coming, so stay tuned. If you want some more down-to-earth tech review and accessories, you know where to come. Until the next one, I'll catch you later.